I wish there was a way to block and restrict my children's mobile usage, as they seem to be on it all day long. Don't worry. Minarsoft Private Limited is introducing Sacred, a parental control app. Wow, from where I can get this? Go to Google Play Store and type Sacred. Download this app and install on your mobile. Once you have installed the app, you should click the Agree button to accept the privacy policy. Then, click on All Access Granted and proceed by clicking Continue Anyway and click on Register. After that, open your browser and create your account. You can proceed by providing your name, email address, mobile number, select your desired package, and confirming your password and click on Register. Once you have registered, you can log in using your credentials and start using Sacred by clicking Proceed. You can try before buying with a free trial.